पासवर्ड डालना है. So the router request had you re-authenticate back to the username and the new password. Click continue. So username and password. So what is username? Admin और ये password ये वाला I think लेगा. Click router request that you are re-authenticate and back to the username and password. Okay, so you can use this password. I just mute. Yeah, setting has successful. You can continue after this. So that we have done. I mean, now you can contact of these people are disturbing. Rishi Ganguly is disturbing. Okay, so just look at here. We have successfully configured this password. Now we will move to the second state where we have to disable the remote management. So for the administration tab, we have to go to the disable and where you will find that there is a next to remote management, like here you can disable remote access and save the setting. I mean, this router is not going to be remotely accessed. हम लोग disable कर देते हैं, setting are successful. इससे continue कर सकते हो. Here, this change will cause the home wireless router to reset. Here, what you can do, right? So in this case, you see the change will cause the home wireless router to reset. Close the web browser and click the password. Okay, that we did it. IP configuration, check this. DSCP static PC. Okay, so just check it. In this change, you will cause this home wireless router to reset. Close the web browser and click password. Return to home office PC and click IP configuration. This one you can close this, the browser part. Just move to the IP configurations of the same home PC, and there you can see. Just look at here. To check if IP address is assigned or reassigned if necessary. So just look at here, they have reassigned at 192.168.2 IP address. And if you go to static and again you click on dynamic, I mean for the dynamic is just about DSCP, which dynamically assigned this IP address to this home PC. So they have received IP address from 192.168.0.1/24 network. You can see this IP is from the same network. It's a class C IP. If any values is coming between this range 192.168.0 and up to 123, whatever values will be there, it will be in same network that we got this. You can see it, that is the default gateway ID 192.168.0.1. So in this case, once you close the IP configurations, and then we'll move to the browser and we'll navigate to this router ID. That this is the IP of interface of your router. Just copy it and re-authenticate in preparation for the next part of the activities. So what we'll do, we will connect this router. So how do you connect that? You have to go to the browser. So here, just close this IP configuration part. Go to the browser. Right. Here you can navigate to this IP like 192.168.0.1. This is the IP of your router interface. and re-authenticate is what is the password guys? Admin. और ये वाला पासवर्ड क्या है? एडमिन है या कुछ और है? इसको रॉक आई थिंक था, इसका तो एडमिन है। पासवर्ड था सिस्को नेटवर्क रॉक्स। So you can type this, copy. Done. So we are connected to this router, right? Now if we move to the second part, just see second part. We have to configure the wireless router network security. So in the first step, we have to configure the broadcast, the home net SSID. So like the practice of the turning off the SSID broadcast could potentially make the network a higher target for attack because the administrator is trying to hide it. So once you turn off the SSID broadcast, could potentially make the network a higher target for attack because the administrator is trying to hide it. Okay, so like if you'll turn off, then it will be a chances to get attack to this router. Now, when you will go to the wireless tab, like here, and there you will find the different frequency where different network having like 2.4 gigahertz, 5 gigahertz, 2, 1. That is the different networks that they have configured. And if you enable for SSID broadcast of three networks, like if you see each of the three networks, if you go to enable for SSID broadcast, so this is your SSID broadcast. You can enable it. For each of three networks, change the SSID from default to home net. Click the enable for SSID broadcast. Okay, so let's enable it, all the broadcast SSID. And you can change this each of three network SSID from default to home net. So where you change home net. So like SSID, this is a default one. So there you have to change it to the default one. Network name should be home net. So there is no option to not select, so you can type it home net. Just copy this name and we can write it here in home net there also. Oh, sorry, what it was auto, I think. Okay, but this one also just make it home net. And rest of things keep as it is, right? So you can see the changes if they could have asked. Okay, so you can save it. That's done. Right, now in the next step, like where we have to configure the security for the home net wireless network. So in the same tab, I mean the wireless, we have to go to the wireless security here. And there you will find, under this wireless security, for each of the three networks, we have to configure this security mode WPA to personal. The security mode WPA to personal, you have to select. Wi-Fi protected access, that is to WPA to personal, you select it. And this one should be encryption is AES, that's fine. And passphrase they have given. This is Cisco rocks. So this one you need to enter under the password section, right? So this is for which one? We did it. I mean, 2.4 gigahertz. So is it they have asked for all? For each of the three network. Okay. So we have to do it for all. Okay. Similarly, you need to do it for this WPA2 personal. Yes, password just Cisco rocks. And this one should be also be WPA Wi-Fi protected access. And the password is the same. Right. And then you can save the settings. We are just enabling encryption techniques, AES encryptions algorithm here. And then we are given the password as well as we have also as we'll make the security mode as a Wi-Fi protected access. So that we have enabled. We have created a security on the wireless router under the wireless security section. Just save the settings. Okay, so I hope it's saved. Now we can move ahead with the for configuring the security for the guest net wireless network. So have to go to the guest network under the wireless tab only. So you can close this and sorry, I have closed all. Okay. So what I will do again, I need to connect them. I need to connect it once again. So for that, I can go to the web browser. Type the IP 192.168.0.1. Click on go. There was a password like admin, and here admin was the username, and the password we have initially used. Just remember this. I'm at which state, guys? I'm at state number 3, part 2. And this password is of Cisco Netacard Rock. This password we need to paste. पासवर्ड है दैट ये कौन सा पासवर्ड था हम लोग अभी कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं किसको राउटर को 192.168.0.1 एडमिन तो यूजर नेम है पासवर्ड इसको नेटवर्क I have to use same password. Let's see. Okay, that's great. Now let me go to the third step where we have to go to the wireless tab. This one they're talking about. And under the wireless, we have to go to guest network. This is our guest network. You can see, right? And where we have to enable the broadcast SSID enable. That should be. So here you can see, okay, we have 3 network. So we have to just enable a guest profile and then configure the following. So once we enable this, there we can see the SSID is guested. I can copy that. Right. Hello. Okay. So this one we did it already. The security mode, the society that should be enabled. Security mode should be WPA to personal. Okay, or SSID, just make it enable. So your AES and the passphrase is guest pass. This one, this password you have to enter. Right. That's done. You can save. Okay, we have to do it for the other as well. Right. For this case also, the name should be guestnet, network name. Broadcast ID should be WPA to personal. Encryption is fine. Passphrase, you can give the same pass, guest pass. Right. And then you can save the setting. Uh, Before going to save the setting, last one is left. So let's enable it. Just give the name guestnet. Right. This is your guest pass. Just done. It's WPA to personal. Personal. Yeah, that's done. Just move at and save it. Okay. So that's done. So here, just save that. Now we have to move to the part 3 where we have to configure wireless client. Okay. So this is the last part, that is we need to configure. Now in this case, we have to configure wireless connectivity for the laptop in the home laptop one. So this is for home office PC. Now let me close this after saving. Just go to the where I have to home laptop one. So home laptop one, this one is home laptop one, right? And there you have to go to the desktop and PC wireless. This is your PC wireless and click the connect tab. Once it's on with the access point. Okay, so we have to connect that. Just click on connect. And there you'll find the security is already set to WPA to personal. Okay, so that all the guest, home net, everything is connected. And enter Cisco raw for the pre-shared key. Look at here. So WPA to personal, that connect. That's fine. Here it will see security is already set to WPA personal. Enter in the Cisco logs or the pre-shared key and then click connect. Okay, we'll connect it. Let me copy this password. It will be required while connecting to the router. Right. Home net we have to connect. Okay. First enter for the home net. So this one we have to connect. It will ask you the pre-shared key. Just keep that key here. and just click on connect. Right. So click the link information. If you go to the link, initially it was not associated and it will not connected to the home net. Now you will see that you have successfully connected to the access point. Now the link is showing, right? Mm. So you should see the message you have successfully connected to the access point. If you're not still not connected, and click the configuration of home wireless network and try it sleep again. I mean, those if anybody is not getting, so again try to connect, and you will find that that connections it will be coming under the linking informations. You'll get that message like you have successfully connected to the access point, right? And when you close the PC wireless windows and click IP configurations, and if your laptop still have an address from the 169 network, toggle between DHCP, static until receive that. Okay, so what we'll do, just go to that IP configuration of this laptop, and here you can see is a blank, nothing is coming. Just click on DHCP. So if any IP is coming, like okay, that's correct values we got. Like if it is a range of 169 or something like that, so you have to click on static and then again dynamic. You will click, you will get that IP of this required range that what it has been given. 191.168.0.0/24, right? So this IP is what if you see 0.4, so it is coming under this range, this network only, right? Now you can repeat step for home laptop 2 in the home office, but you see the first entry of the guest net, enter a guest pass and the press. So this is for the guest, the laptop 2 is for the guest, and the laptop 1 was for the home net. So what I'll do, I'll close this home laptop 1. I have to go to home laptop 2. This is our home laptop 2. Just click over there. Excuse me. So in this case, what you will do, you have to connect to the guest net. So just connect it. The same step you have to follow. Like you have to first go to PC wireless, right? So let me show you. Like just go to the desktop. This is our PC wireless connections, and just check that guest net and just connect it. Click on just see link information, no restriction with the access point. It's not connected initially, so you have to connect it right now. So just wait, it will come here that guest net. This came, just click on connect. Done. Now you can move to the home office on the top shelf of the bookcase. Click on the home webcam. Now we will move to the home webcam. You can close this window. So you can check if this link has been connected or not. You can check it from the link information. Now you have successfully connected, right? So you can verify it accordingly. Now just move ahead with the second step about the webcam. इसको close कर दो. तो connection हो गया. Now we can go to the or just wait. Where I have to go? I have to go to webcam. Okay, home webcam. So where is webcam? Is it this one? Check it. Home webcam. Yeah, that is fine. सब कॉन्फ़िगरेशन हो रहा है, इसमें चेक कर सकते हो. इसका home webcam. So here you can see under the home webcam, go to the configurations. I want the configuration wireless 0. So this is our wireless 0, right? And under this, if you'll find home net for the SSID, under SSID just check home net. यहाँ तुम डाल सकते हो home net SSID के सेक्शन में. Enter home net for SSID. So just you have to type it here. Home net. Right. For SSID is done, choose WP2, I mean Wi-Fi protected access to personal PSK. So this one they are talking about. And for authentications, you can enter this. This is the PSK passphrase Xerox. So that you can enter. Right. Here you can enter this values. It's done. So under DHCP IP configuration, click DHCP and verify this receive IP address from this network standard. Okay, so this one we have configured. Now, is there anything to save? No options are there to save. Okay, so by default, I think it would be saved. Right. So you can close this webcam. Done. And another IP configurations now with array. Close will be okay. ठीक है इसका IP configuration हम देखेंगे अगर. Okay. Just go to -0 और यहाँ पे डाल सकते हो IP. ये एक IP यहाँ लोकेट करेगा. So just check that it's coming here. Range is 192.168. On digital color. See, look at there. Okay, so we have checked that like the IP which we have received under the IP configuration sections. If we click on DHCP, you get this IP, and this IP is under the range of 192.168.0.0/24. Right. So that is coming from the same network, 192.168.0 till 0. It is I mean 191.60 till 0. That value which we are getting /24, that is a subnet mask. So it is from the same network only because 0.7 is coming under this network. What they have asked in this step. So that is correct only. What IP we got, that is fine. Repeat this step for the both the home share and located in the living room above the bookcase and the home doors. ओके सो वी हैव टू शेयरिंग के लिए भी हमें करना पड़ेगा ये स्टेप्स. ठीक है, तो ये तो वेबकैम के लिए हो गया. इसको हम लोग अभी क्लोज कर सकते हैं. दिस इज द बेसिकली इट्स IoT डिवाइस. ये जो वेबकैम है ना, ये भी एक IoT डिवाइस है. होम सीरियन जो है वो भी एक IoT डिवाइसेस है. तो वी आर कन्फिगरिंग द वायरलेस सिक्योर कनेक्टिविटी फॉर दिस डिवाइसेस. इसको क्लोज कर दो. और वी हैव टू गो फॉर द होम सीरियन. Where is located? It located in the living room above the bookcase and home doors. Okay. So in the living room above the bookcase. Okay. तो वीकेंड था हमारा
ऊपर को सर, ऊपर कॉर्नर में. राइट राइट. हाँ बस वहीं पे नीचे.
ये
बस
तो
वही
हमने
सर. हाँ बस वही ऊपर ऊपर सर, छोटा सा ब्लैक है. हाँ
ये हमारा ये था ना, होम वेबकैम था. ये तो हो गया भाई.
यही होगा ना.
नहीं ये नहीं है, ये तो वेबकैम के लिए हो गया. अभी हम लोग को बोला है कि होम सीरियन चाहिए. ये हमने कर
लिविंग रूम में वो
सर लिविंग रूम
सर
के
लिविंग रूम
राइट के
वो
कॉर्नर
बुक
में है
शेल्फ,
सर.
डोर के बगल वाला बुक शेल्फ.
जो हाँ ये बगल वाला बुक है.
नहीं सर, बुक शेल्फ शेल्फ डोर
बस
के
बुक
बगल
शेल्फ.
में वो डोर के राइट
और
साइड. हाँ यस सर,
पता नहीं
वही
एक
वाला.
मिनट. ये वाला है
हाँ यस.
और
हाँ
दिख नहीं रहा था. हाइड हो गया.
हाँ सर वही है.
ये एक्चुअली हाइड हो गया था. इसको पूरा ये करना था. देखो ऐसे रहेगा तो कुछ पता नहीं चल रहा है. तो तुम लोग जो है इसको थोड़ा ड्रैग कर लेना इस साइड राइट साइड तक लेकर। ओके, दिस वन इज होम सीलन। Just go for the configurations, the same thing you will do that, repeat the same step. So here just go to the wireless 0, right, and the name just give the home net, this id का नाम दे दो home net। And this is your Wi-Fi protected access, PA2 WPA2 PSK, and the password is the same values you can write Cisco rocks. So that's done. And then you can go to the IP configurations. You will receive some IP address which is from this range 192.168.0. Yeah, it's a wrong IP. So see, this IP is not recorded. ध्यान से ये वही बोल रहा है कि आपको स्टैटिक में फिर क्लिक करना है और फिर से DSCP करो। देखो दूसरा IP अभी आएगा। हाँ, ये हमारे अंदर है जो रिक्वायर्ड है, तो ये भी ध्यान देना है। Then repeat this. Okay, we did it already. ये हो गया और कुछ सेव करने का नहीं है हमारे पास, ऑटोमेटिक वो सेव हो जाएगा, राइट। So now we can move to the fourth part where we will verify the connectivity and security settings. हमने configuration तो कर लिया है, अभी वेरिफिकेशन करेंगे, टेस्टिंग होगा। तो स्टेप 1 जो हमारा है वो टेस्ट करना है इंटरनेट कनेक्टिविटी फॉर द वायरलेस लैपटॉप। सो यू हैव टू जस्ट गो फॉर द होम लैपटॉप वन, ये वाले टैब को क्लोज कर दो, सीरियन वाले ये सब क्लोज कर सकते हो। नाउ यू कैन मूव टू laptop, home laptop one, and just go to the browser and navigate to this URL www.ptsecurity.com। इसको हमने एक्सेस करना, राइट। इसके लैपटॉप वन तो यही होगा, नहीं लैपटॉप टू है, लैपटॉप वन ये। लैपटॉप वन में जाके ब्राउजर में जाके इसको नेविगेट करो, just click on browser। तो ये जो है ये तुम्हारा लोड होगा। फर्स्ट यू जस्ट कॉपी दिस यूआरएल, पेस्ट इट हियर and just take that। So it will process until the data center public web page will load। So you need to wait, otherwise you can press Alt plus D, जल्दी हो जाएगा। तो थोड़ा स्लो हो रहा है। हाँ, बस वी गॉट दैट। पीटी सिक्योरिटी डाटा सेंटर पब्लिक वेबसाइट हमारा मिल गया, डाटा सेंटर पब्लिक वेब। वी हैव टू डू इट फॉर द सेम थिंग फॉर द सेकेंड लैपटॉप। So this is for laptop one, we did it. Now do it for the second laptop. Just go to the browser, just navigate to this URL, post name unresolved, all done। Okay, let me again connect it। No, it's not. Is it connecting in your system? Are you able to get that public web page? Hello, guys.
Yes, sir.
Are you
No,
getting
sir.
it?
No, sir. No, sir.
So
No, sir.
check the IP configuration.
Let me check the IP. Okay. there is some different IP. अच्छा IP इसको एलोकेट नहीं किया है. इसको DHCP ऑन करना पड़ेगा. 190 to 168. अभी कनेक्ट करते हैं. Let's see. Click on go. Yeah, that's great. Now it's came data center public page. Now we can move to the next part, like where we'll configure the security for the guest net and home net interconnectivities. So for finding IP address of the first laptop, you can go to the IP config of the first laptop. Just see here. So this is the IP of 191.168.0.4. You can copy. Okay, you can write it somewhere. Remember 192.168.0.4. That is for the laptop 1 0.4. And when you go to the laptop 2 and just when try to connect laptop 1, so just type that IP and just click on laptop 2 and go to the command prompt, type that IP ping. You can write ping and followed by the IP address ping 192.168.0.4. hit enter. Yeah, that's great. We are getting a reply from this PC I mean home laptop 1, right? That's done. Now you can this is of first laptop, right? This IP. So you can check from the you can check the IP of laptop 2 and open laptop 1 and you can connect it. You can change the connectivities like that the same way. I mean just simple IP. So that's done. This one is about this home laptop 1, which is responding to ping, indicating that home laptop 2 can access the device on your home network. That's fine. You're able to do that. In the next case, like if you see, you need to send the router to prevent the host on different network from communicating with each other. So you need to set the router, right, to prevent the host on different network from communicating with each other. So for this case, we have to just move ahead with the home office PC, right? And what you'll do, you just configure this interface IP of the router under the home wireless router. So first go to home office PC. This is our home office PC. Just click on there. Okay. And there you can find that wireless router you can connect. So how do you connect the wireless router? For this, you have to go to the web browser and type the IP. You're connecting, from this home office to your wireless router. Let me connect once again. Okay, now it's came. So just type this IP 192.168.0.1. Go. Okay, so what is the username and password? Do you remember, guys? What is the username, guys? Which admin it was? पासवर्ड क्या था? स्टार्टिंग में हमने यूज किया था ना.
इसको Cisco net had
Rock.
rocks and exclamatory sign.
That this one was password. You can use this. Yep. Okay. Now it will connect to your wireless router. As you can see the interface of wireless router here, right? We'll move to the wireless tab and then guest network. So you will find this here. If you move to, this is your the wireless tab where you will find that other guest network. There is a guest network here, as you can see, right? And after it, you'll see just look at here. Guest network. Okay, uncheck the box next to the next to allow the guest to see each other and access the local network. Right. So allow the guest to see each other and access the local network. So this one was the box was enabled, right? So that's why you're able to connect. Now, if you disable this, right? If you uncheck the box, then you will see, there is no communication. So here they're allowing the guests to see each other and access the local network. So here, just save this setting, right? The, now we'll try to ping from the home laptop to home laptop 1 again. The ping should be failed, and this indicates that that the hosts are not allowed to communicate between the two network, right? So in this case, if you go to laptop 2, will be this side. Just click on here, go to the command prompt and type the same IP of laptop 1. Use that the ping. You'll see initially it was pinging, now it will be failed because we have disabled that the connections through the wireless router, like in the different network you cannot communicate, but router has the property to allow to communicate in different network. But as per our requirement, we have restricted, and we have denied that like guests to see each other and access the local network, right? So that's why you can see we are getting an 100% loss. We are not able to communicate now. That's done. और क्या बच गया हमारा, कुछ छूटा है क्या? 94% दिखा रहे. There's something missed. Okay, and then can check
Sir,
it.
excuse me, sir.
Yes, yes, tell me.
सर सर छूटा नहीं है सर, वो जो सर डोर है ना उधर, डोर भी स्मार्ट है सर. सर तो उसमें वो डोर का भी जाके सर DHCP करना पड़ेगा उसमें, तब जाके 100 होगा.
Is it given?
सर दिया तो नहीं हुआ है सर, लेकिन उसको करने के बाद 100 हो रहा है.
सर मेंशन किया हुआ था डोर करना है.
किया हुआ
अभी मैं तक.
लिखा हुआ है सर.
ओके.
IIT door है, smart door. Okay. है तो डोर का ठीक है, यहाँ से करने से होगा आई थिंक. ओके, लेट्स सी. गो टू द कॉन्फ़िगरेशन. ये है स्मार्ट डोर तुम्हारा, आई मीन IoT बेस्ड डोर है. So home door you can go, just connect this IP, click on DHCP. वायरलेस हीरो पे जाओ, W3A2 करना था, राइट? और इसको क्या लिखना था? होम नेट था. व्हाट वाज दैट? यस,
सर होम नेट सर.
होम नेट. मैं चेक कर ले रहा हूँ इंस्ट्रक्शन कौन सा में थे हम लोग. This one were given in which instructions? Tell me.
So ये part 3 step 2.
Part 3, the step okay, and in the office
So
on the top.
have seen this.
that ठीक है. इसको rock, that is your password. Right. अच्छा यहाँ दिया था. Repeat this step for both home serial located in living room another and home door. Okay. Home door के लिए भी था. वो मैंने किया नहीं. इसलिए नहीं. Okay. Very good. You guys are doing it great. So let's move ahead with this door. और यहाँ पे तुम लोग का ये सब तो ठीक है. मिनट हो गया. अच्छा ये आईपी अलग टाइप को दे दिया है. तो आईपी हमारे नेटवर्क का होना चाहिए. खुद से इसको कनेक्ट करते हैं. हाँ अभी भी रॉन्ग आ रहा है. It should be under the range of 190 to 168.
तो पास फ्रेज नहीं डालो.
पास डाल देते हैं. Okay. 92. It should be in the range of 192. Oh, it's not coming. Try once again. तो छोटा है क्या? हाँ बाकी तो सब ठीक है. हाँ अभी आ गया. ठीक है. गुड. तो यू हैव टू चेक राइट. आईपी जो है ना वो रेंज में होना चाहिए आपका 190 to 168. यहाँ पे बार बार अलग आईपी दिखा रहा था. ठीक है अभी हो गया. ये कंप्लीट हो गया. वो 100% अभी शो कर रहा है. तो okay, that's great. So you have done. You can also complete it and you can submit in this classroom. Let me create that. तुम लोग को 2 टास्क इस पर दे रहा हूँ और एक्स्ट्रा एक लैब दे रहा हूँ. तुम लोग खुद से करोगे. वो मैंने क्लास में डिस्कस नहीं किया है. यू विल ट्राई on your site. Yes, tell me. I was asking.
सर मेरा अभी 94% दिखा रहा है. तो
मैं
इसमें मैं
स्मार्ट
सबमिट कर सकता हूँ.
नहीं तुम स्मार्ट डोर को किया कॉन्फ़िगरेशन.
हाँ सर स्मार्ट डोर कर लिया, साइलेंट कर लिया और वेबकैम भी कर लिया.
फिर सीरियन का क्या? सीरियन वाला
क्या
किया
सर?
था. एक और था ना सीरियन का था. वो किया था.
साइलेंट भी
हम्म.
कर दिया था.
तब तो हम चेक करो फिर से एक बार. उसका जाओ असेसमेंट
खुद से
कहाँ पे
दोबारा.
तुम्हारा है वो दिखाएगा. ऐसे देखो. जस्ट सी जस्ट वेट. वंस यू क्लिक ऑन दैट एक्टिविटी ना असेसमेंट आइटम में जाओगे. कौन सा क्या तुम गलत किया वो दिखा देगा इधर. उसको चेक करो. कौन सा पार्ट गलत हुआ है देखो. तो जाके चेक
ओके
कर
सर, ओके
सकता है.
सर, ओके.
So we have done router hardening today. Implement physical security with IoT. ये वाला भी तुम लोग करेगा. तुम 2 टास्क दे रहा हूँ आज. ये तुम लोग खुद से करके अपलोड करोगे क्लासरूम में. मैंने कराया नहीं है बट यू विल ट्राई फ्रॉम योर साइट. Implement the physical security with IoT. So 12.5.4 and 12.7.13. Just creating in the classroom. Let's try it. Okay, that's done. So you can complete and yeah. Okay, guys. We'll see you in the next class. I think you don't have today Linux class, but tomorrow is your Linux class is there. So you can complete it all the remaining parts of your cybersecurity today's classwork, and we can submit it till tomorrow. We'll see you in the next class. Do you have any doubt? Any doubt do you have, guys? No doubt.
No, sir.
So we'll see you tomorrow.